Hello children, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Good morning to all. In this video, we are going to discuss our next topic, sum of n terms of an AP. So this is our last topic in this chapter, sum of n terms of an AP. Listen, sum of n terms of an AP is denoted by Sn. And there are two formulae to obtain sum. One of the result is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and second result is Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term plus last term, that is n by 2 into a plus l, or n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, first term plus last term. Listen, suppose we have first term and common difference, then use this result to obtain sum to n terms. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is number of terms. Suppose we have first term and last term, then use this result. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So by heart these two formulae to obtain sum to n terms of an AP. Okay. So let's see some problems how to find sum to n terms of an AP using this result. Start exercise 5.3, the first set of question. Listen, in the first set an AP is given and number of terms is also given. We want to find the sum of the AP up to the given terms. See the first question, 2, 7, 12 etc. up to 10 terms. Here this is an AP, it is very clear. First term is 2, common difference is 5, and consider this 10 as number of terms. Number of terms equal to 10. So sum to n terms is obtained by when first term and common difference is given is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Replace all these values here. So S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into a. 2 into a means 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 into 5. 10 by 2 is 5 into 2 into 2 4. 9 into 5 45. 4 plus 45 gives 49. 49 into 5. 49 into 5 is 245. Okay. So S10 or sum of this given AP up to 10 terms is 245. See this question, minus 37, minus 33 etc. up to 12 terms. We want to find sum to 12 terms of this AP. So write down the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is minus 37, common difference is 4, and n equal to 12. Replace all these values here. We get S12 equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1, that is 11, into d. D is 4. So this is 12 by 2 into minus 37 into 2 is minus 74 plus 44. Minus 74 plus 44 gives minus 30. Minus 30 into 12 by 2, 6. So 6 into minus 30, minus 180. So sum of the given AP up to 12 terms is minus 180. Okay. Third question. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, etc. 100 terms. Here first term is 0.6. Common difference is second term minus first term. 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. And number of term is equal to 100. So write the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because first term and common difference is given. Here n equal to 100. So replace n equal to 100. First term is 0.6 plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1, that is 99 into d. d is 1.1. 100 by 2 is, now write 100 by 2 itself. 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 plus 0.6 into 2, okay, 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 gives 108.9. So 1.2 plus 108.9 is 110.1 into 100 by 2. 2 into 110.1 is 55.05. So this into 100 gives 5505. So this is our answer. Okay. Sum to 100 terms of the given AP is equal to 5505. Fourth question. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, etc. up to 11 terms. Here A is equal to 1 by 15. Number of terms equal to 11. And D is obtained by second term minus first term. That is 15 minus 12 by 15 into 12. That gives 3 by 180. 3 by 180 is equal to 1 by 60. This is common difference. Now write the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 11. So 11 by 2 into 2 into a, that is 1 by 15, plus 11 minus 1, that is 10 into d. d is 1 by 60. So this is 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60. Here this 2 by 15 can be written as 8 by 60 multiplying by 4. Okay. So 8 by 60 plus 10 by 60 gives 18 by 60 into 11 by 2. Here we can cancel 2 and 18 9 times. Then 9, 3, 60, 20. So 11 into 3, 33 by 20. So this is the sum of the given AP, 33 by 20. Okay. Now second question. Listen, second question is find the sum of the series. A series is given. Listen children, series means terms are separated by a plus sign. So we want to find sum of the series. Listen, clearly this series is an AP because all the terms are belongs to arithmetic progression. You can see common difference is same. Here first term is 7, last term is given, last term is 84. Now we want to find common difference. Common difference is obtained by second term minus first term. Here second term is 10 1 by 2, first term is 7. 10 1 by 2 can be written as 10 into 2 20, 20 plus 1 21 by 2 minus 7. 7 can be written as 7 by 1. Now take cross multiplication. 21 into 1 21, 7 into 2 14, by 2 into 1, 2. This gives 7 by 2. So common difference is 7 by 2. Now let's start with the last term an. An is 84 and an is obtained by using the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is given, a is the first term, a is equal to 7, n that we don't know, and d is 7 by 2 equal to 84. Now take this plus 7 to right side. So this becomes n minus 1 into 7 by 2 equal to 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7 is 77. Now take this 7 by 2 to here. So this becomes 77 into 2 by 7. So easily we can cancel 7 and 77. That is 11 into 2, 22. So n minus 1 equal to 22 or n equal to 22 plus 1 gives 23. So number of the terms or in the series there are 23 terms from 7 to 84. Okay, n equal to 23. Now we want to find sum. So here we have two formulae and given that the last term and therefore use the result Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Here n obtained as 23. So replace n equal to 23. First term is 7. Last term is 84. So this is 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84, 91. Okay, 7 plus 84, 91. So 23 into 91. 23 into 91 gives 2093 by 2. So this is the sum of the series. Okay. Second question. 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus extra plus 10. Again it is a series. Here the first term is 34. Last term is 10 and the common difference is second term minus first term, that is minus 2. Okay, first we want to find the number of terms. So write down the formula of an. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is given, a is given and also common difference. So replace all the values and open the bracket. N into minus 2 minus 2n minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. 34 plus 2 gives 36. Plus minus becomes minus. Now take this minus 36 to left side. So 10 minus 36 equal to minus 2n or minus 2n equal to minus 26. So what is n? Minus 26 by minus 2, that is 13. Now find the sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Use this result because last term is given. Here n equal to 13. So replace n equal to 13 and here first term is 34. Last term is 10. So 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10, 44. Here we can cancel 2 into 44, 22. Now see what is 13 into 22. 13 into 22 gives 286. So sum of the series or sum of the 13 terms of the given AP is equal to 286. Okay. Let's see this series. Minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus extra plus minus 230. Here the first term is minus 5. Last term is minus 230. And the common difference is second term minus first term gives minus 3. Now we want to find the number of terms. So let's start with an. An is obtained by a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is minus 230, a is minus 5, minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. Now open the bracket. Minus 5 plus n into minus 3 minus 3n minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 gives minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3n. Now take this minus 2 to left side. So minus 230 plus 2 equal to minus 3n, or minus 228 equal to minus 3n. Here we can cancel negative sign and find n. N equal to 228 by 3. 228 by 3 is equal to 76. Okay. So number of terms equal to 76. Next we want to find sum of the series. So let's start. Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term, because last term is given. Here n is 76. So S76 equal to 76 by 2 into minus 5 plus minus 230, first term plus last term. 76 by 8 is 38. 38 into minus 5 plus minus 230, that is minus 235. So 38 into minus 235 gives negative 8930, 8930. So this is the sum of the series. Okay.